Hey, it's me, Jurassic James. I'm coming to you from the field. I am sitting in a cypress swamp. So what you're seeing are the cypress tree knees that the tree breathes through, the tree itself, and some swamp water here, and a lot of animal noises. As far as geology says, this is a sedimentary environment that the water and mud, the bottom, in time will look like this. All the vegetation is falling into the mud. Right now you can't see it, but in winter when the water's down, you can see the mud there, the shale mud, and it would have these leaf imprints in that if they're buried in carbonite. You wouldn't see a shell like this because this shell is what we call an abyssal shell. So think deep ocean, think Titanic, that's what this forms. But they're essentially the same rock. One is from swamps and one is from the ocean, deep ocean floor. Now, the carbon you're seeing here is what turns it black. So the idea is that the animal or organic material is breaking down, that carbon stains the rock black. If you see a gray shale, the idea here is that it's less carbon, so it's less stain. What you won't see here is a light brown or a tan shale. And the idea behind this is from a lake, a paleo lake. So the river goes in, river goes out, the water's being churned up, it's more aerated, so we see this kind of rock form. So you're seeing different kinds of shells in different environments. For paleontologists like myself, the idea is that if you're looking around for fossils and you find dark shells like this, you know you're in a swamp environment. So you look for turtles or crocodiles. If you see a shell like this, you're in a deep ocean environment. First of all, there's a lot less stuff to find, but you might find an ichthyosaur or a plesiosaur if you're in the right time frame. And of course, the swamp itself is very similar to what we see in Liaoning, China. The idea is that those feathered dinosaurs like Sinosauropteryx, Caudipteryx, they fall in the mud, get buried, fossilized. What helps is that there's volcanic ash from volcanoes in the area in China back then. But again, this is the kind of rock you would find that in. It's a tan shell, not a limestone. So essentially the paleo environment can be seen in modern environments and rock formation.